have a tour of all the plants in the garden because there are so many now. Let's have a look at how the tiniest little orchard is doing. So let's see how the fruits are doing. Let's start from this one. This one is a small tiny yellow plum, another plum tree, but it's the darker color, the purple one, and there are many even here. Here instead we have a vine, the tiniest, look at this, the tiniest, whilst instead this one is an apricot tree and is full of apricots, better than last year. And there's another one here, like the tiniest one here. This is my hand, and my hand usually is really small, so this is so small. Here we do have something already, some raspberries that can be eaten, but most of them are still yellow, very pale. I think in a couple of days, if the week stays this warm, because it's really warm, we are gonna get raspberries. Yesterday was such a long work day, a beautiful one, because I did so many mentoring sessions, business mentoring sessions with my clients, my beautiful wild souls. We did so much. And as I was saying to them, it's important to, after we do something very energetic like giving, we're giving so much energy, so much of ourselves. So it's something that we put in the exterior. We need to then have the day off after, or having the next day something that makes us recharge. And for me, I know myself pretty much, I told you, I'm a Capricorn moon. So since my moon is in Capricorn, an earth sign that loves to be surrounded by nature. So today, I'm going horse riding after a few months that I haven't been. Happy to go there, and it's a new spot. I'm going with my friends, so we're gonna try this new location. Let's see how it goes. I'll see you at the stables. Time to do a bit of cleaning because the guy here, it's full of dirt, right baby? We are transitioning into summer, so let me show you how. Inside here is too hot now, so let's see what will stay. We have, there we go, 31 degrees. got a few things to say because it's the last day of May and it's already summer. Bloody hell! Why summer all the time has to come like sooner? I'll be crazy for that. Anyway, I'll show you what I did today. I did a little bit of going into town to deliver something to the post office first of all. Then I had to go to the bike shop, the repair bike shop, but of course today the bike is doing perfect, so I did not go there, and I'm really lucky that this one is still going very well. But eventually I did some messed up things because I went to the bookstore and I only got 4 books and these 2 are pretty heavy. So of course when I got the hedonistic Little Atlante of London, I had to get this one because, oh my god, I have to just remember this, all the places in London that I have seen and those I haven't yet seen. And then there we go, this book, which is a present, a gift for my mom. Her birthday is coming up really soon. It's beautiful. Look at the imagery. I just love it. Like, she's the one who loves to cook. I'm the one who loves the pictures. That's my job. So I got this, and then some books I had to, they were on my wish list for quite some time, so I got them both. This one is about tarot reading. This one is about astrology, from 2 lovely people, lovely humans. I know that they are my colleagues and they do an amazing work, so I have to get those books. And that's all. So I'm gonna stay in the park here for quite some time. Hopeful that the wind will blow a little bit more and I'm gonna read. So that's my plan. I told you, right, that it's proper full-on summer, but that's not what I want to talk about today. I just want to say to you that I just did a lovely first call with a future project that I'm very excited about if it actually goes on, because this will bring me like to the very future where I could improve and develop my work with the spiritual, mystical entrepreneurs, not only in the Italian market, but what I always wanted to do, which is like in the English-speaking world, going back to be international, to speak English, to do that in English, and so to open up internationally. And that's something it's in my dream. It's been in my dream for very long, so this is like something that I could see that coming. I could see that happening in the future. Like, this is the road, like these are the steps that are gonna bring me there. Yesterday, camera at hand, I went to this place. It's a monumental garden and it's beautiful. It's made by Bernini. In the meantime, he's the cutest. Also, before, he was like laying down in the position of a sphinx, and I was like, that's so